Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are best in health at home. The Heaven Education has arranged special classes for past indefinite tense, active voice to passive voice. How do we know about past indefinite sentences? If we have subject, second verb and object, it means we have past indefinite tense because no helping verb is used here. जब हमारे पास कोई हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं होता और हम सेकंड फॉर्म लगाते हैं, इट मीन्स दिस इज पास्ट इंडेफिनिट सेंटेंसेस एक्टिव वॉइस. एंड इफ वी चेंज एक्टिव वॉइस टू पैसिव वॉइस, देन वी विल प्लेस ऑब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट, वाज वर्ब, थर्ड वर्ब बाय सब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट कम्स फर्स्ट and subject comes in the last. Let's start exercise for practice. She cooked food. Food was cooked by her. Food was cooked by her. He opened the door. The door was opened by him. The door was opened by him. They laughed at the poor. The poor was laughed by them. The poor was laughed by them. I lost my purse. I lost my purse. My purse was lost by me. My purse was lost by me. We lighted the lamps. The lamps were lit by us. The lamps were lit by us. I wrote a letter. A letter was written by me. A letter was written by me. We lighted the house lamps. We lighted the lamps. The lamps were lit by us. I wrote a letter. A letter was written by me. The children liked mangoes. Mangoes were liked by the children. Mangoes were liked by the children. The patient took the medicine. The medicines was taken by the patient. The medicine was taken by the patient. They learnt the poem by heart. The poem was learnt by them by heart. The poem was learnt by them by heart. He married a poor girl. A poor girl was married by him. A poor girl was married by him. He did not teach us English. English was not taught by us by him. You can say we were not taught English by him. We were not taught English by him. They did not help me. I was not helped by them. I was not helped by them. These are negative sentences. He did not lend me his camera. He did not lend me his camera. I was not lent his camera by him. I was not lent his camera by him. The police did not catch the thief. The thief was not caught by the police. The thief was not caught by the police. The dog did not bite me. I was not bitten by the dog. I was not bitten by the dog. I was not bitten by the dog. All his pupils did not like him. He was not liked by all his pupils. He was not liked by all his pupils. You did not draw the map. The map was not drawn by me. The map was not drawn by you. You did not draw the map. The map was not drawn by you. I did not win the watch. The watch was not worn by me. WOUND, third form, worn by me. I did not know him. He was not known by me. He was not known by me. Ali did not turn on the tap. The tap was not turned on by Ali. The tap was not turned on by Ali. Did they like mangoes? These are interrogative sentences. You must place question mark in the end of the sentence, and you will use were, was, were in the starting letter sentences. Were mangoes liked by them? Were mangoes liked by them? Did he ring the bell? Was the bell rung by him? Was the bell rung by him? Keep remember, always question mark will be in the end of the sentence of active voice as well as in passive voice. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video, and you need practice more. You can do, and you can ask any question if you have any query. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.